Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a thermal plant in Subnautica 2. Alright, before we dive into how to build it, let's first know where to find it. Over on your life pod, head between east and southeast at around 110 bearing. You will need the heat adaptation for this, so make sure you're ready for the journey first. Just follow the footage right here, and you'll end up at the right place. If you're rather confused as to where these fragments are exactly, just make sure you're around the 490 meter distance from the life pod, and you should find the two fragments you need just right below you on the edge of a cliff. Just scan these two fragments together, and you have the blueprint. Now the thermal plant needs 3 titanium, 3 copper, and 3 gold. Thankfully all 3 are easy to find, but if you're having trouble finding gold, you can just find this anywhere in the hot biome attached to the hydrothermal vents. Now the mechanics of the thermal plant is that the closer it is to a heat source, the higher the power it's going to generate. The closest vent you can find that is generally at a safer area is around 290 meters away from the life pod directly to the east. Place down the thermal plant as close as you can to generate its maximum power output, and just connect the power with the use of power transmitters, and that's about it on how to build a thermal plant in Subnautica 2.